All right. It looks like the install went well. Using the stock lug nuts. Of course, we got our torque wrench. Clears pretty good. These are the 11.5s. 2011.517. As you can see, it clears the calipers pretty well. So it's quite interesting stuff here. Hopefully don't have any issues. Get a little bit more grip, because we sure need them. So, we're still running the OEMs up front, but we'll see how it goes, everybody. I think it's going to be an improvement over the old stuff. Now we'll do the other side.